this is how we enjoy for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make an AI account in ChatGPT 4 or any other platform similar. You can use this platform to do many things, chatting with AI, asking information or correcting some difficult issue. For this you can open a browser. It's very simple. You can use Google Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, whatever you like, or whatever computer you can use. I'm using iMac here. You can use Macbook Pro, Windows computer, or any other computer, doesn't matter. Here you have to type ChatGPT 4. You see the first page, GTP4. Hit this one. You see here, this is from OpenAI. Here at the corner you have login option and sign up option. If you don't have account, then you have to hit sign up. Hit this one. You can do this many ways. You can put your email address directly. You can create an account by your email address. You can with a Google account, with Microsoft account, and with an Apple account as well. Decide the option you want to choose. So you will see here this one, your email address may appear directly in sign in option. If it's not appear, you have to write your email address. After that, hit next button. You have to put the password of your Google account, or if you want to create a password, you can do the same. I hit next button here. In my case, they're asking me to verify my email address because I have two-way verification. So verify your phone that it is you. I put it is me in my phone. Now here, tell us about you. You have to put your first name, then your surname. If it appear here, is fine. You have to put your birth date. Put the birth date. After that, you have to hit continue button. You have to put a phone number. Which country you are, put the phone number according to your country. So when the code arrives, it will arrive at your phone. I already have the code here. You see ChatGPT. I hit this one. Now I'm the chatting box. I hit next button, next, done. So this is the place you have to come. So here you write whatever you want to know from AI. I write Elon Musk here. You see all the information about that guy is up here. Write anything you want to know. After that, USA, United States of America, all the information you want to know you can write. Okay guys, so this is a video where and how you can create your ChatGPT 4 account and how you can use it more or less. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.